Jellyfish. This is Mr. Panda Pizza and Dash from Elevators of 14S coming to you from Home Sector. Over there, there's some Otis Series 1 at 4 Points by Sheraton Hotel, Walton Beach, Okaloosa Island, Florida. They're Otis Series 1 to 11. Here's the sea. I'll take the next one.
Hello.
Sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious! Did you see that? I hope my camera caught that. That was bad. Hope it rain. This one's here. No if. Yeah, 6. They're hydraulic all the way up. Watch the indicator for the first few floors. And then watch out the window. What the heck? We're at 6. Oh, goodness gracious. These things need help. Got this side going down. Over there's Fort Walton Beach. There's the Brooks Bridge. Now we're going to disappear. Watch the button go out. We're back down to parking. Going up. Which one y'all going to? 5. 4. I'm just an elevator. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. Don't mind me.
Oh, you're going to do a bathroom.
That's why I do it like that. I try not to advertise it.
Yeah, you keep it there. Yeah. We're like, we're on camera or something? We're being filmed?
Oh, don't worry, not on camera. I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I know how some people like me don't like getting filmed, and I'm one of those people. So we all are. Who's ever hit 4? The other one has some door problems, it seems like.
You go to Georgia Tech?
Me?
Yeah.
Probably. Honestly, don't know.
Are you in high school? What do you do?
I'm just an
STEM
elevator.
program and stuff? Y'all do a lot of electronics?
Sometimes. I'm in the digital video program.
That's interesting. About 2 months ago, there was a high school kid who was an elevator enthusiast too.
Another elevator enthusiast was down here?
Yeah, 2 months ago. That's why I was sitting here listening to you talk, and I was like, go ahead. Or are you going back down?
I'm going back down, yeah. Going down, sir?
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Elevators of 14S is my YouTube channel name. I'm a local around here. I've been kind of wondering if any others were coming down here. Apparently, I missed someone.
Well, he didn't. He wasn't taking pictures or anything, but he was just really into elevators. Said he was going to be an elevator repairman.
Nice. Now these are Otis Series 1 of some sort. This is the Series 1 fixture, as you can see. Have a great day, sir.
You too, man. Well, it's nice seeing you.
Someone else was down here. Ooh, look at this. That's Shakahatchee Bay over there. Okaloosa County. There's Fud Puckers over there. See if I can zoom in on that sailboat. Again, there's Brooks Bridge way over there. Traffic seems to be piling up. Is it 8 in time?
A few moments later.
Oh, here's this one. This thing seems to have door problems. Parking. Goodness. Actually, this looks to have a very similar cab to the Courtyard Marriott and the Fairfield Marriott with the 330As. Certificate 5456, and then 5455 is the other one. Watch the button go out. Otis Series 1. Yeah, I want to say this is the 211 model. Oh, goodness. Let's watch how badly these doors behave. The O face that out, but I honestly don't care enough. Look at that. Look at that. That's just pathetic. Oh, what is with this thing? Look at this. I thought it just broke for a second. Golly, goodness. That is just, yeah. This thing needs some help. I guess that'll be it. There's no other elevators here, and I looked.